Inherited traits. Heredity is the continuity of characters from one generation to another. It is present in the DNA of the fertilized egg or zygote. The rules of heredity determine the process by which traits and characteristics are reliably inherited. Let us take a closer look at these rules. The progeny inherit the traits from the parents. These traits are physical features like hair color, height, skin color and nose. You appear similar to your parents because you have inherited these traits. Let us now study the rules for the inheritance of traits and Mendel's contributions. Mendel worked out the main rules of such inheritance, and it is interesting to look at some of his experiments. Mendel carried out his experiments by using garden pea with the 7 contrasting visible characters. They are flower color, violet and white flowers, flower position, axil or terminal, seed color, yellow and green, seed shape, round and wrinkled seeds, pod shape, inflated and constricted, pod color, green and yellow, and stem length, tall or short. Mendel took a tall plant and a short plant, produced progeny from them, and calculated the percentages of tall or short progeny. Capital TT are tall plants, and even capital T small t are tall, but small t are considered short plants. That is, even if one capital T is present, the plant will be tall. Capital T is dominant while small t is recessive. All plants were tall. This meant that only one of the parental traits was seen, not some mixture of two. The F1 tall plants were self-pollinated, and F2 progeny of the F1 tall plants are not at all. 3 of them were tall and 1 short. This indicates that both the tallness and shortness traits were inherited in the F1 plants, but only the tallness trait was expressed.